Yeah. Yes. Going to the rock. To the rock. To the rock. Rock, 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 rock. We're on the boat.
Just split that white line right on your right, okay? Split it.
Here we go. We're going to be the first ones on, first ones off. Awesome. To the rock. To the rock. To the rock, 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 rock. Here's the wide, wide ocean in front of us.
Thank you so much.
All right. So what do you think, Liam? What do you think?
I'm back.
You're back? And where are you going? Do you know?
Yeah.
Where?
The, Martha's Vineyard.
That's right. Cam, what do you think? This is your first time going? Second time?
Boat.
On a boat?
Yeah.
Well, you never went any other way.
I think I'm gonna fall off.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
How's that possible? Only way you'd fall off if you climbed over that railing, which you're not going to do because I'm not going to let you.
Yeah, and then you're gonna have to jump in the water. You have to save me.
Well, I do know how to do that. I don't know if I'm as good a swimmer as I was back in the day, but
No, Nina, the water is dirty. Yeah, Cam, you can't even go. You can't even walk on the water.
so we got to go all this way, out that way, past that opening into the ocean.
Yup, no.
Yep.
So where is it?
We got to go around the corner over there, through the channel, and then out into the ocean on the other side of that land. That's all part of where we are right now. So we're in Woods Hole, and
Someone's using a speedboat.
that's right. Uncle Troy has one of those. So anyway, that's where we're at.
You have to pay for the food.
Yes. What did you say, Liam?
What happens when you fall off in real life?
What do you think would happen?
Fall off.
And what would happen?
We'll drown.
Well, you could if you don't know how to swim. That's why I told you you have to learn to swim. You have to know how to swim underwater so that you can save yourself. You have to be like Aquaman. Right?
What is that?
That's a buoy.
Huh?
That helps the boats know where they are.
So number 5.
It's like you know the lines on the road when you're driving in the car?
Uh-huh.
Those are like lines in the ocean.
How do they not
Very good
sing?
explanation.
Yeah.
No, that's right.
Yeah.
How do they not sing?
The boats see that, and then at nighttime they light up like a lighthouse. Well, I think they do. I haven't actually looked at them at night.
When is our cabin?
We're not anywhere near the cabin because we're not on the island.
So is Mom gonna be here?
Yeah, Mom's in the car.
Is it over there?
What?
What is it?
We have to go through this channel, and then on the other side, I'll tell you when we see it. So this is our excursion. You have any questions, Cam?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Liam, do you have any more before I stop? What?
What's under the ocean?
What do you think is in the ocean?
Seagulls.
No, seagulls can't. They go underwater to catch fish, but they don't stay.
I think fishes.
Yes, what kind?
Sea fishes.
Huh?
Sea fishes.
What about sharks and
Yes, a shark and a clam.
clams? What about whales?
Wait a minute, Nina. Where's the other green one we just
Whales
saw?
are out there. We might even see a whale on our way.
Huh?
We might
Where's
even
the
see a
other
whale.
green one?
Huh?
Where's the other green one?
So you'll see another one come up in a minute. All right. We're leaving the boats. We're off. Off
How are we gonna get back?
Just follow the cars. Woo! We're around the rock. Yay! This is the boat wharf I used to go coin diving in. And I can't even show it to you. So you have to go over here, Cam. Look. Over there is where you go coin diving. But I can't show it to you. We'll have to walk there. Yay!
Is it hot enough to go today?
There, let me see if there's anybody in the water.
Mom, is it hot enough?
Usually it's right down here where you hear the dog barking. I don't see nobody in the water. But that's where coin diving is, down there in that water. Yes, we are. We are. Here we are. We're on Martha's Vineyard.
This is not how I imagined it. I thought
Road
it'd be...
trip.
Damn, you've been here.
So there's a beach here?
Yes. Look over there. So this is Oak Bluff's boat wharf.
I have no memory.
And we are in
I have
town
zero.
in Oak Bluffs. This is where I used to hang out, right here.
Is that
All right, so we're gonna stop because I want to drop my phone. Okay, folks, we've arrived. Yes, we're in our little campsite. It's just a little cabin in the woods, in the campgrounds of Martha's Vineyard, and we're going to rough it out. And we're also gonna go, you know, take little tours around the island and have fun. So the kids are excited. We got Nanny Franny who will be visiting her friends, and I will visit my friends, and we're gonna have fun. So let me show you a little bit of what we're doing. So there's Liam already munching out, and Cam. What do you guys think about the cabin?
small?
Yeah, but other than that, is it like we're gonna have fun or what?
In there, probably not.
That's called city folks. They don't know what to do when it's camping. I'm from the mountains. And there's our little porch. There's our little porch. And there's Kiana. There's Sky. And there's Nanny Franny already munching out. Here's our little cabin. Our little quaint cabin. And see, there's lots of little cabins around. So, just to give you an idea of what it's like. So, we just got all unpacked. Everything's good. The cabin's too small for me to go in there and show you too much right now. But we are going to enjoy it. And we'll be out in the Bluffs soon, which is where I grew up. I already showed the kids where I grew up. But we're going to go out and walk. My knee's killing me, but I'm going to do it and show them around as much as I can today, and then tomorrow we're going to do lots of other things. So there you go. Peace.